Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G22 and let me share with you how to enable the eye comfort mode on this device. So before I will show you the fastest way to get to those options, I'll show you how to customize them. So let's begin with opening the settings, and now let's scroll down to find the display option. Now we have to tap on the night light, and as you can see it's on the 4th position, and the night light is simply the name of the eye comfort mode in this device. So of course we can turn it on without any customization just by tapping on the switcher, and as you can see the screen turns yellowish or even amber, and it is of course in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So of course you can just leave it like this with those settings, but you can also tap on it, and as you can see right here we've got two options. So first of all, let's focus on the switcher, which is responsible for changing the intensity of that feature. So by going to the left we can make it much cooler, and I would say it's almost invisible comparing of course to the previous one, and sorry. By going to the right, we can make it much warmer. It's almost orangish. Maybe not on the preview, maybe not on the video, but trust me. What's more, we can schedule that feature. Just tap on it, and as you can see here, we can turn it on at custom time or from sunset to sunrise. Of course, when you will pick the from sunset to sunrise option, your device will decide when both are, or you can turn it on at custom time. So here you can freely pick start time and end time. So after tapping on the start time, you will be able to pick the hour from this clock. So let me pick, I don't know, for example, maybe 4 o'clock, and end it around 4 o'clock also. Let's confirm it with OK, and as you can see the screen immediately changes to this yellowish tones. It is because we are between the start and end time. But let me turn off the schedule option, let me keep it manually, let's say. So basically this is the whole customization of this mode, and now I will show much faster access to it. All you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar and unroll it fully, and as you can see the night light will immediately and automatically appear right here. If for some reason your device will not show it to you, no worries, just tap on this edit icon here, and after scrolling down you will be able to find the night light. It will be probably here. You will be able to tap on it, hold it, and drag it to this first section, just like that, as you can see. Alright, let me get back, and basically this option, this feature is right now turned on. So if you'd like to turn it off, just tap on it, and as you can see the colors will go back to its normal state, the screen will go back to its normal state with this cool colors, and of course if you'd like to turn it on, just tap on it again, and again it will be displayed. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode in your MOTOROLA Moto G22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.